Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos on Instagram directly from your phone's gallery. Whether you're sharing special moments with friends, promoting your business, or building your personal brand, knowing how to properly upload videos is essential for making the most of Instagram's features. Let's get started. First, locate and open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're properly logged into your account. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to ensure you're using the correct profile where you want to upload your video content. Once you're on your Instagram home feed, direct your attention to the bottom center of your screen. You'll notice the distinctive plus icon. This is Instagram's universal creation button that allows you to make new posts, stories, and reels. Tap firmly on this plus icon to initiate the content creation process. Instagram will present you with several content options. To upload from your gallery, select the Gallery option, which will immediately access your phone's media library. Here you can browse through all your recent videos and select the one you want to share with your audience. After choosing your perfect video, tap the Next button in the upper right corner to proceed to the editing stage. This is where you can enhance your video using Instagram's built-in creative tools and make it truly stand out before sharing. Take advantage of Instagram's editing features. You can add trending music from their extensive audio library, insert dynamic text overlays to convey messages, include fun stickers for engagement, and apply various filters to improve your video's visual appeal. When you're completely satisfied with your video's appearance, tap Next again to move to the final posting preparation stage. Here you can craft an engaging caption, tag relevant people or brands, add location information, and select your preferred audience settings. Finally, when everything looks perfect, tap the Share button to begin uploading your video to Instagram. The upload time will vary, depending on your video's length and your internet connection speed. Thank you for watching.